YouTubers, we have an exciting video for you. The ending of day 2 of our vacation series in the Delaware Water Gap. So if you missed day 2 part 1, click in the top right, the little icon there, you'll see it. Click on that, watch that video first. We saw some bears, almost right into them. It was exciting. Right after that, this is where the video will pick up, and my camera dies like towards the end of the video. It just like cuts off, so I apologize for that. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. So roll the intro.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What are those? Stay. Buttermilk Falls to the right. Is this the way to the falls? Oh man, am I gonna make it on this thing? Gravel?
It's not real gravel, it's just a little bumpy and a couple water holes. Okay.
Like water holes across the whole road?
Yeah, one is just about across the whole road.
Well, we're gonna give it a shot. He said it's not gravel. He said there are some water spots though. This is pretty terrible. This is so cool though. Bumps, big bumps. A couple bikes. We're gonna follow them. We're okay. Yeah, off-roading in a 1980 KZ1000. This is so much. I'm really enjoying it. It went left. Oh my gosh. I scraped my. Oh, I got a phone call. No, we're fine, babe. He said not unless you want to go around the other way, and I think we can go out that way. That's the way we can leave. If that's what you're concerned with. Okay. This is awesome. YouTube, you better like this. That dude said it wasn't gravel. I think he's lying. Those Harley guys, I don't know how they did it, to be honest with you. Big bumps. Missed them. I think this is our motorcycle friends. I think this is the falls. Check this out. Buttermilk Falls. It's pretty big. Nope. Okay, YouTube, this is the shot that I have for you of Buttermilk Falls. This is one thing I don't want, is to be stopped. I do not want to have to stop. Quite dusty. Are they going to let me go by? That would be amazing if they did. Bump. Alright, here we go. Back brake only. No, because if your front tire slides out, it's really hard to save it. If your rear tire does, it's easier to save it. Big hole. Man, that Harley that was riding 2 up, If you look at his tailpipes, exhaust pipes, they're lower than mine. He had to have hit. Bumps, bumps, bumps. Look how pretty that pasture is, though. Big hole. We're good. Look how pretty that is. Oh, yes. This is where we go left. That wasn't too bad now, after all, right? Another one-lane bridge. No one's crossing. Oh, creepy. Dingman's Ferry, PA 739. Let's just try and make it. Alright, YouTube, we're going to head to Dingman's Falls. It's 8 or 9 miles away, and there's some gas. So, we had to stop to make sure we could make it with the range of this bike. I think we can. Oh, the breeze feels so much better. I don't know these roads, so I'm taking them carefully. Dingman's Ferry. Which way is Dingman's Ferry? Which way are we going?
You happen to know which way Dingman's Ferry is?
Or Dingman's Falls?
Oh, sorry. Well, the ferry is the bridge,
Yep.
right? Is that what you're looking for?
We're looking for the falls. The Welcome Center.
Is Dingman's Falls the same as that back to late when you left? No, the road up to over there. Okay. At the stop sign, make a sharp left. Okay.
So right here, go right up this way. Got it. All right, thank you. They didn't seem like they were that nice. They seemed like they seemed like they didn't want us to be there. Yeah, but isn't that what their business would survive on? Doesn't make any sense to me. I hope she didn't tell us wrong. She said that Dingman's Ferry and Dingman's Falls are in 2 different locations. I don't think that's right, because Dingman's Ferry is the bridge that goes over the river, the Delaware River, and we need to go across that bridge to get to the falls. Yeah, I mean, that's what it looks like on the map anyway. YouTube, this is a pretty interesting adventure. I'm sorry I haven't really narrated a whole lot. I've kind of been just making sure that we haven't gotten lost and or dead and not running out of gas. Trying to make sure all those things don't happen. I'm going to stop here and check the directions. This car's going to try and get around here. Shoot. Watch out. We're looking for Dingman's Falls. All right. Okay.
And then straight to the right.
And then, yeah, it's on the left, isn't it? The Welcome Center?
Yeah, you'll see signs for it once you go over the stairs.
Okay. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, sexy car. That chick was very helpful. What is going on? Well, look how cool this is. This is the Delaware River. Awesome. I don't think YouTube can hear this, but the bridge is like, the boards are like making rattling noises and creaking noises. Hi there. How are you?
Okay.
So you got your $1. Thank you. Have a good one. I don't think she liked us either. Oh, I just got smacked in the visor by a big June bug. I don't know if it was a June bug, but it was big. Okay, YouTube. We made it to Dingman's Falls. Right here. We're gonna hike up there now and take some pictures.
Where did we start on our motorcycle?
Yeah, we started all the way over here. We rode all the way up. This is all gravel up to here. So, we'll see you in a minute. Alright YouTube, we had a really fun time in Dingman's Falls. We saw the Silver Thread Falls along the way to Dingman's Falls. Dingman's Falls. Spelled D-I-N-G-M-A-N-S. Dingman's Falls. Anyways, it was pretty fun. A good place to visit if you don't want to hike too far. It's just a nice little walking path to get there. It's not very far at all. I think I have a mosquito in my helmet biting my forehead. Ah.